Now before I go ahead and show you how each of these 4 links work, first we have to go ahead and choose a button style. Because what we've done is we've provided an assortment of buttons for you to use if you choose to use our pre-canned buttons. Now all you have to do is come down and select a button, choose any one that you like. All you have to do is click on the radio button next to it. Now I'm going to choose my standard cart buttons, and I'll just choose that one. And again, you'll be able to change these cart buttons at any time, even after you've loaded these onto your website. If you're currently using this button and you have it loaded on your website, or if you have 50 of these loaded on your website, all you have to do is come into the cart, change it to this button, and it will automatically feed this button style to all 50 of those buttons on your website. It's a very nice feature. Okay, now that we've selected our button style, to link your website to PremiumWebCart, all you have to do is copy this link. And now I'll go to an HTML editor, and I've put text in here, add to cart. So I can take any text or any image and create a hyperlink just as I would with any other hyperlink, except I'll use that product link which will connect your website to PremiumWebCart. And that's done. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to be a little bit more creative and how you can use these links in combination with each other. So in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to turn my product image into a hyperlink. Because if somebody clicks on that product image, they may be expecting to add that to the cart, and I'm going to accommodate them. But I also want to have a Buy Now button, so I'm going to take this right here, copy it. I'm going to come back. But now what I need to do is add this code directly into my HTML. So I'm just going to come up where I want this button to appear. I'm going to paste that code in, and then it's done. Now you see already how this button has been pushed onto my website. Now what I want to do is show you how to do a one-click. The operation is the same, so I'll go through this very quickly. Save that, and I'll do a one-click with the button. I'm going to put this again right into my HTML. And let's preview that. And now let me show you how it works. So if you remember, this is our two-step button. And you see you've added your long sleeve sweatshirt into the shopping cart. And here they can adjust the quantity. They can remove it, clear cart, update quantity, continue shopping, etc. Now what I want to show you is how this works the same way if I use one of these buttons. And now you see I've added the same product into the shopping cart as well. But I'll continue shopping. And you'll see that it also gets added to the shopping cart. So now what I'm going to do is clear the cart. And now I want to show you how you can use a one-click process. If you're selling a product such as a shirt, and you may want your customers to come back and continuously add more things to the cart, in that case you may want to use the two-step process. But if you have a one-product type of website, maybe you're selling a digital product, something of that nature where you just have one item, you want to get that person from the sales page into the order process as quickly as possible. So that's where the one-click process comes into effect. And since this all works the same, I'm just going to pick one, and you'll see how it works. Now you see that we have the long sleeve sweatshirt added to the cart, but we're already on the sales page. Now you'll see that people are able to order right from this screen. So the product is into the cart, and the order page is already up, and they can put in their name, their order information, their credit card, etc. Submit the order, and it's done. You don't have to make them go through a two-step process if you only need a one-step process. The final thing you can do from this screen is you can test your links directly from the shopping cart just to make sure everything comes out as expected. And it'll open up a new window. And that's how it'll look into the shopping cart. Remember that your personal cart advisor is always just one phone call away. If you have any questions about how to do this operation, just call your personal cart advisor today and they'll help you through every step of this operation.